Welcome student in the online tutorial classes. Myself Mr. Manoj Kumar, Faculty of Education, Jamshedpur Cooperative College. In today's sessions, we will discuss the another measures of variability such as mean deviation and standard deviation. In the earlier classes, we discussed on range and quartile deviation. So, in order to get the better measures of variability, we want to measure which is the most appropriate measures of variability. So when the variability or variation uh, whenever based on the deviation from the mean, then the sum of the deviation from the mean is always 0, and it provides the better measures of variability as they are based on the deviation from the mean. So deviation that is equal to the difference of xi minus x bar. Xi is the various variables of the distribution. So average deviation or mean deviation is the average distance from the mean. So average distance or the variability that is equal to xi minus x bar. Here in the mean deviation we use modulus under uh, under deviation. So mean deviation that is equal to summation that is I from 1 to n under modulus xi minus x bar in the numerator divided by n number of observation in the denominator. Well, in case of frequency distribution, mean or average deviation that is equal to summation that is I equal to from I equal to 1 to n summation of fi or under modulus xi minus x bar modulus closed divided by number of observation, and is the number of observation that is equal to summation of fi. So mean deviation, here the negative value of the each variability of all the variables has been ignored. So it is also not reliable measure of reliable measure of variability, but it is reliable in terms of the variability whenever it has been taken from the mean, and it tries to accommodate all the data, all the variables in a data set, and it is more reliable than the range, than the quartile deviation. Now we discuss the standard deviation. The standard deviation is the positive square root of the mean of the squares of the deviation of the given values from their mean. यह जो डेविएशन है ये स्क्वायर रूट होता है. किसका होता है स्क्वायर रूट? वो किसी भी वेरिएबल के मीन वैल्यू के डेविएशन का स्क्वायर होता है, और उसका एवरेज वैल्यू को डिफाइन किया जाता है अंडर स्क्वायर रूट. it is represented by the Greek letter sigma. So sigma, it is equal to standard deviation root under 1 by n multiply summation from I equal to 1 to n bracket xi minus x bar का होल स्क्वायर जो जब हमारा डाटा अनग्रुप डाटा होगा, but whenever data are frequency distributed data, in that case sigma, that is equal to standard deviation root over 1 by n multiply under numerator summation from I equals to 1 to n fi bracket start xi minus x bar bracket close square. So it is the formula for the group data. Standard deviations is the most stable deviations amongst all the measures of variability, because here whatever the sign that has been used in measuring all the variability has been obstruted by the squares. Whenever a negative value has been obtained, then it has been obstruted because of square. So it is the stable measures of variability as compared to range, quotient deviation and mean deviation. In your examination, the data may be either in the frequency distribution form or ungrouped data may be given, and you have to calculate by using those formula. So always practice in your home. The next is related with the standard deviation is the variability. The square of the standard deviation is the variance. वेरिएंस को हिंदी में प्रसारण कहते हैं, और ये होता है एवरेज ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स deviations of the measures of scores or measures or scores from their mean. So it is a squares, but square root of the mean of the squares of the deviation of the given values from the mean comes under standard deviation. So whenever you know the value of standard deviation, you are able to get variance. Because of the stable measures of variability, standard deviation play in entire statistics. What the role of central tendency and the role of measures of variability is significant in view of their usability in the inferential statistics. Mean and the standard deviation are generally used to calculate and determine the overall perspective of the nature of the distribution. The complete idea of the nature and the direction and the characteristics of the data can be ascertained. Our interest area underline in minimizing the error. So standard deviations play a pivotal role in minimizing the error. It may either be due to fluctuation in the sample or due to the chance factor. So it has immense application in the inferential statistics. So students, keep in mind that in your examination a complete 12.5 mark question may be asked, either to calculate standard deviation or variance either for the group data or ungroup data, or in a long question it may be asked describe the various measures of variability. So always practice it. Thank you.